It's Genevieve's Playhouse!
Whoa, cool! Guys, doesn't this look like the perfect spot to set up our Genevieve's Playhouse Zoo? Let's add some habitat elements, like this rock formation, and this cool tower for animals to climb on, and this cool block of ice for our cold weather friends, and this hut for exhibits and shows. Our zoo's looking good so far, but we're gonna need to plant some trees and bushes. Now before we add animals, we gotta add some enclosures. We have green, orange, and blue. Great job, guys! Now our zoo's ready for some animals. Let's start by adding some penguins. Where should the penguins go? I'll bet they would love this ice block over here. 1, 2. And they can even go down this cool slide. Whoa! Splash! Now it's time to add a mama giraffe and a baby giraffe. There's the mama and the baby. Whoa, who are these silly animals? They're monkeys! Oh, how cute! Since monkeys like to climb, I'll put them here so they'll be happy. How about this animal? Do you know what this is? It's a seal, that's right! And I'll bet this seal would love to go play with the penguins. Here you go, have fun playing together. We've even got some peacocks to add. They're so colorful and lively, they brighten up any zoo. One right here, and the other right there. Oh, what is this? It's a cute little hippopotamus. How adorable. Hippopotamus actually means water horse. So they love water, but not cold water like the penguins. So I think we're gonna have to put them over there where it's warmer water. Here you go, Hippo. Have fun swimming in the water. Oh, look at these. It's a baby elephant and a mommy elephant. I think we should put these over there by the hut. Elephants need lots of room to move around, so this is perfect. Oh, look at these cute little turtles. I have a good idea for these guys. Since turtles are so silly and cute, let's give them a seesaw to play on. Doesn't that look fun? Whoa, 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 whoa. They love it. Guys, do you know what these are? They're birds, but what kind of birds are they? They're toucans. Aren't they cute? They have really big bills and they make all kinds of crazy noises in the jungle. Let's put these guys, since they have these awesome little grooves, on that big tree in the back. Oh, they love it. No zoo is complete without lions. And we made this rock formation just for them. Last but not least, a zebra. I think we should put it up front so guests see it when they come in our zoo. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to build an entrance for our guests. Perfect! Guys, check out this zoo we made. It's got lions, zebra, giraffe, hippos, monkeys, and more. Hey, look everybody, it's our first guest. What do you think of the zoo we built? Isn't it cool?
Oh my gosh, this zoo is so amazing. I love it.
I hope you guys enjoyed building this fun zoo as much as I did. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see our other cool content. Bye guys.
Again!
Look kids, here comes Farmer John to feed the animals in his barn. What's wrong, Farmer John?
I need to feed the animals, but I can't get the barn door open.
Maybe we can help you open the door. Let's try it. Let's see. Oh, this first door, it's locked. I wonder how we'll get inside. Maybe it has something to do with this. Oh, if we flip the latch, we can pull the door And it's open! Wow, what's inside? It's a horse! Oh, how cute! There was a horse inside the first door of the barn. Oh, what's this? A baby horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Look at how cute it is. It's the baby horse and the mama horse. Awesome, let's help Farmer John feed them. Here comes Farmer John with their food. It's an apple. Let's cut it into 2 pieces since there are 2 horses. Alright, we've got 2 small pieces for the horses. One for the horse, and one for the foal. Alright guys, let's see what animal's in the next door of the barn. Yeah, it's locked. We can't pull on it to open it. Maybe if we lift this hook and pull on the door now. Oh, it's open. Alright. What is that? I see a cow. Isn't that cute? It's black and white too. Wow. Oh, and there's baby cows too. There's 1, 2. A baby cow is called a calf, and 2 are called calves. Let's go feed these cows. Normally cows eat grass, but today Farmer John is bringing a special treat, a pear. Let's cut it into 3 slices for our cows. Let's cut it in half. And now let's cut it into quarters. Oh no, Farmer John! Are you okay? I'm okay! Alright, good. Sorry about that. Alright, for the mama cow, we get 1 piece of pear. Alright, now for the babies. 1 calf, and 2 calves. Alright, now the cows are fed, let's see what else is in the barn. Alright, here's the next door of the barn. But the door won't open, it's locked. What should we do? Maybe if we flip this switch. Oh, it's open. Alright, we did it. And here is... It's a chicken. Oh, wow, how cute. What else is there? Oh, what is this? It's a boy chicken called a rooster. Roosters are more colorful and have a big fan of a tail. That's how you can tell them apart from a hen or a female chicken. I think there's some more inside too. Oh, it's 2 baby chickens called chicks. And they grow up to look like a hen or a rooster. Isn't that neat? Alright, let's go feed them. Here comes Farmer John with chicken's favorite food, corn. But we need to peel the husk first. The husk is this green outer part to reveal the yellow yummy part. Alright, now the chickens can eat the corn. Alright, let's see what animal's next. Before we open this next door, can anybody find the cat? If you can, tell me in the comments what color it is. Now let's take a look at this door. Oh, it can almost open, but it's stuck from the latch. How should we get it open? If I pull on the chain, it's still stuck. Maybe we can slide it over. Oh, and then it comes right out. Now we can open the door. Oh, look, it's a goat. Look at how cute it is. It has 2 little horns and a beard, just like some people. Isn't it cute? Aw, let's go feed the goat. Since a goat will eat almost anything, Farmer John's bringing something healthy. It's a tomato. Let's cut it for the goat. Here you go, goat. Off you go. We've got 2 animals left. Let's see what they are. The next animal is behind this door right here. It has a bolt on it. All we have to do is rotate the peg down and slide it over. There we go. It's unlocked. And look, it's a sheep. Oh, look at how cute and fluffy the sheep is. The fur of a sheep is called wool, and we use wool to make clothes. Isn't that cool? Oh, look, there's a baby sheep too. Oh, it's adorable. A baby sheep is called a lamb. This is a lamb, and this is a sheep. Let's go feed the sheep. Here comes Farmer John with a carrot for the sheep. Alright, let's cut it in half so the mama sheep and the baby lamb can each have a piece. Here's some for the baby. And some for the mama. Alright, we have one more door to our barn. Let's see if we can open it. If I pull on the door, it won't move. Maybe if I push this down. No? Do you have any ideas? Maybe I can lift it. There it goes. Now it's open. Alright. And there's a pig inside. Wow, look at how fat and pink it is. It's so cute. Aw, what an adorable little farm animal. Let's go feed the pig. Just like a goat, a pig will eat almost anything. So we're gonna bring him something healthy. It's a piece of broccoli. Let's cut it for the pig. Here you go, pig. Alright, now that we've fed all the animals, it's time to put them back in the barn. Do you remember who's behind this door? Let's see. Oh look, it's the door for the horses. Let's put the horses inside. 1, 2. Which animal goes behind this door? It's the cows, that's right. Here's the mama cow and the 2 baby calves. Now what animal goes behind this door? The chickens! Here's the rooster, the hen, and the chicks. What about this door? The one with the chain latch. Let's see what's on the other side. It's the goat. Here you go, goat. Let's lock it back. 2 more doors to go. This one has the bolt. It's the sheep. There's the mama sheep and the baby lamb. I bet our last door is gonna be the pig. Let's see. It is! Here you go, pig. Alright guys, thanks for helping Farmer John get all the animals out of the doors.
Thank you so much.
Make sure to give us a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys! Look at all the animals we have on our farm. We have a pig, a horse, a goat, a chicken, a sheep, and a cow. Oh no, it sounds like it's gonna rain soon. We need to get all these animals inside. But we only have one barn. What should we do? Oh, but this is a special barn. It has more little barns inside. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have one barn for each animal. Perfect. But how will we know which animal goes where? Let's take a look at the animals and see if we can find out. This is a horse. The horse says, neigh. If we look on the reverse side, it's got the number 1. That must mean it goes in the number 1 barn. Alright horse, here you go. Here is the cow. The cow says, moo. Let's look on this side, and this cow has the number 2. It must go in the number 2 barn. Here you go, cow. Alright, let's take a look at the goat. Here's the goat. The goat says, bah, bah. On the back, it has the number 3. So it goes in the number 3 barn. Here you go, Mr. Goat. Now let's take a look at this one. This is the pig. The pig says, oink, oink. On the back, it has the number 4. So it goes in the number 4 barn. Now we've got 2 animals left. This one is a sheep.
The sheep says, ba ba, just like the goat. And on the back, it has the number 5. So let's put the sheep in the barn number 5. Our last animal is the chicken. The chicken says, cluck, cluck. Can you guess what number is on the other side of this chicken? It's the number 6. If you said 6, you are right. Alright, so let's put the chicken in the number 6 barn.
Alright, good job. All of our animals are inside a barn so they won't get wet when it rains. And just in time too, because here it comes. It looks like it's clearing up. Now that the sun is back out, let's play a game. Can you figure out what number is going to be on this horse? Well, there's one horse, so it has the number 1. How about this one? There's 1, 2 cows on the barn. So this one has the number 2. Good job. This barn has 1, 2, 3 goats on the back. So it has number 3 on the goat. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pigs. So this pig has the number 4. And now for our barn with the sheep, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheep. The sheep has the number 5. Our last barn has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the chicken has the number 6 on it. Thank you guys so much for helping us save the farm animals from getting wet. I have a special question for you guys. Can you tell me which 2 animals are in the wrong barns? If you get the answer correct, you could win a special mention in our next video. Alright guys, have fun. Bye. Look guys, we have an Imaginarium Discovery Wood and Marble Run. Let's open it up, see what's inside, and put it together. Whoa, look at all these cool pieces. Alright, we got everything unwrapped. Let's put it together. Let's start with the elephant. Now for the tree with the monkey inside. Now for the lion. And now it's time for the giraffe. And our last piece is the alligator. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Wow, look at the cool marble run we made.
It's cool.
This will be a lot of fun. Let's try it out. What color ball is this?
Green.
That's right, it's green. Let's try the green ball. Alright, here we go. Whoa, cool. How about this ball? What color is it?
Blue.
That's right, it's blue. Let's try the blue ball. Here it goes. Now for this ball. Do you know what color it is?
Yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow. Let's try the yellow ball. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright! How many balls is this?
2.
That's right. Let's try 2 balls at the same time. Here we go. How about this? How many balls is this?
3.
That's right, 3. Let's try all 3 balls at the same time. Here they go. One, two, 3. Now let's try 5 colorful marbles. Here they go.